Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to end a task of a program that's frozen or stuck. We've all been there, we all know how annoying that can be. So we're just going to act like this is the program that's stuck. I have this open, so you can do two things. You can either click on this down here, the taskbar, and click Task Manager, right click this and do Task Manager, and that will bring this up. And from there, you can pretty much find the Notepad. But also, there's another way to get this open. You can hold down Control, Shift, and Escape, and that'll also bring your task manager up for you. Um, After that, once it's up, you'll see all these programs. These are just all your tasks running. So what you want to do is just search for the program that's frozen. For me, it's obviously the Notepad, so I'm just going to type in Note up there, highlight whatever program is giving you problems that's stuck, and you can either end task by right clicking and just going end task, or over here there's a button that says end task. You just get rid of it like that, and it's gone. So once that happens, you can go ahead and try to boot it back up and run it again and see if that fixes your issue or you're back to normal. If it's still constantly giving you issues, I would probably just reboot your computer or turn it off for a little while. Maybe it's getting overheated. If you have any like air duster or anything like that, blow your computer out. But other than that, that's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Follow and like if you enjoy this, if it helps you out at all. And y'all have a great day.